Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to the channel once again. Today we have Frank here who is our metal works, fabricator. So he does all of our burglar proofs and also, gates, installation of gates and anything with metal in construction. Frank is the guy for you. So today we have an exciting video which is a pergola with a bench and a swing, and it's going to be a start to finish project, so make sure you stay to the end of today's episode to see the whole process of this sitting area.
aka a boy. Well done. Adwumane neji. Na 25th kra de boja o. Xmas we there. Waterfalls wa be fire. E din wa ha say soku.
So Mighty Metalworks putting the last piece across. Been working hard. Has been a few days now, setting things up, trying to get everything leveled, aligned, squared and angled rightly. So finally, the last piece is on. Yeah, Astaman and his boys doing the magic here. The Grapes Vineyard Pergola metalwork happening right here in Vliet, close to the tallest waterfall in West Africa. You can see the precision and then alignment and the designs. Beautifully made.
We have come up with our first finishing, which is the spraying. Yeah. So from the beginning, as we were saying, this is where we have reached so far. The legs on the ground, there will be a bench, and this wood you can see packed here will be aligned on it, and then you can have a seat, take a fresh breeze.
Yes, so this is the final finish of the metal pergola by Mighty Metalworks. Yeah, the Rasta man and his boys who came down from Accra to come and help put this beautiful piece together. And this is how it is looking now. We have our swing chairs and then the other benches looking really, really cool. The handiworks of Mighty Metalworks. Looking so cool.
Carry boom. Daddy, daddy. No be small energy. Mighty hands metalwork. the beginning of the year 2025. Yeah, they Benny. Live from Mighty Metal Shop. Double dry line. So this is how we install it. Wanna dry, you lift here up, then you can see this rod. Yeah, this is what is going to hold it in the sky till your things dry. You bring it down. Yeah, then you still have space in the compound. Like you can see where the gate is, the entrance to where the dry line is. If it is a fixed one, entering the house.
So here Frank was trying to explain, the old traditional way of, having a dry land which comes with a pole which will be, which takes space in on the compound, right? So this one on the wall is way much better. So fast forward, we have another door installation, and you can see this is the old one, and then you will see the after very soon, which is what you're seeing on your screen now. So this is the newly one installed. So like I said, Frank does a whole lot of, doors, burglar proof, all kinds of designs. I have a playlist for him here on my channel. So if you go to my playlist, you look for Frank or the metal works, mighty metal works, you see all the works that he has done on the channel. Amazing projects, that he has done on this channel, and also for our subscribers. I mean, if you want to get inspired or you want to draw some motivation, you go to his playlist. There's so many designs, over there. You can look at it, and if you find one which you are interested in, if you let him know, he can fabricate it for you as well. So with your burglar proof and everything, and also, there's a video where, we try to explain the different types of materials which people use, right? Because, we have the thickness, we have all kinds of thickness. And sometimes, you get two quotes from different people, but what you don't ask is what thickness of the metal are they using. That is the cost difference, right? So if you use the thick one, the thin one, I mean, yeah, you can have thieves coming in, breaking in. That's where you'll be hearing news that people are broke. People, get into people's homes even though they have burglar proof. And that is the reason why, because they use the cheaper one. And with that, even with hardwood, you can burn those, metals, right? So always go with a good quality, with a thickness, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.